at page 168. Hebu tazama huo ushahidi. Kuna mahali ambapo unaona kuna ile nambari ya simu 0720103913. Umeitazama? Hiyo nambari ya simu imesajiliwa katika jina la nani?
Judith Kirago.
Huyo ni nani katika, alikuwa nani?
She is one of the blogger.
Nikuulize.
The one who initiated the channel. Okay, the pay bill was initiated by the Snipers Friends and fellow bloggers.
Sasa hii namba ya simu ni ya nani?
Ya Judith Kirago.
Kuna hela ambazo zilikuwa zinatumwa katika hiyo nambari ya simu?
Yeah.
Na hizo namba zilipotumwa katika nambari ya simu, ziliwahi kutumwa katika ile pay bill?
Yeah, alisituma kwa pay bill.
Alitransfer hela ngapi? $115,000. Kuna watu ambao wanafanya kazi na mheshimiwa gavana ambao wamestakiwa na kuhusishwa na kifo cha mpenzio mwemewe Sniper?
Yes.
Naam?
Mr. Speaker, sir, Governor has an objection to raise, subject to your direction.
Who is on objection? Oh.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I just drew your attention to the fact that we had an objection to raise.
Sorry, you have
an objection to raise.
Let's hear to your objection. What's your objection?
So you know, the evidence what we are going through is an evidence in chief. This witness has sworn, which is primarily her witness statement before you, and there are specific claims in that witness affidavit which counsel in exam in chief is supposed to bring on board to this Senate. The question that has just been put to this witness is not part of that witness affidavit. And number two, the question of the murder trial, as has been confirmed through the other witness, is a matter actively pending before another court of law. We express our deepest sympathies to this witness for the loss of her husband. We would be the last people to want to see her go through the agony that her own advocate for the council, for the assembly, wants to take her through at the moment. We will do that justice, Mr. Speaker, sir, by limiting this witness first to the issues raised in the impeachment motion. The question of who didn't murder Sniper is not part of the impeachment motion anywhere, is not part of this witness affidavit anywhere. With tremendous respect, it is raised for the limited purpose of emotionalizing the motion now before this House. We beg that you overrule counsel and restrict him to the evidence that was filed in this Senate and supplied to the governor's team. I beg, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you. Counsel, just
yes.
Hold on a moment. Counsel for the Assembly, could you respond to what the legal counsel has raised on the matter he has raised?
I am most obliged, Mr. Speaker. Sir, I have always held my senior land counsel with high esteem until this afternoon when he makes an objection on a point that is not legally founded. There are evidence that has been supplied to us from the governor in terms of the phone number that I've questioned the witness on. And therefore, to assume that we can only limit ourselves to the affidavit and not test the evidence of the governor would be far from the truth. We have a charge sheet appearing at page 429 of our bundle of document at volume 2. The county assembly has no intentions whatsoever to prosecute the case that is pending before the court of law, but there is no caveat that an issue that arises in this trial cannot be mentioned for purposes of record. We have not accused the governor of murdering the sniper. I do not know whether I have touched a raw nerve, but Mr. Speaker, the objection is not founded. We'll only ask the witness in terms of the particulars of the person charged. We'll not go to the evidence of who killed who or anything of that sort. We have tendered that evidence. They did not respond to it in their defense. It's a very emotive issue, as demonstrated by the witness.
Very well, counsel. I think what we will do is let us restrict our questioning to matters concerning the impeachment on the governor. And I tend to agree that if this matter of the murder case is in court, then it should be sub judice for us to discuss it here. Let us stay clear of that. Counsel, I would urge you to stick to the affidavit provided by the witness, and the line of questioning should be specifically on the impeachment motion, and let us not divert on that, please.
I am well guided, Mr. Speaker, sir. So, in respect to the murder of your dear husband, did the governor ever send condolences to the family?
No.
Could we then have the video played?
Yes.
Video 1B. Sir, perhaps we need the interpreter.
Okay. Just stop the video, please. Sergeant at Arms, please bring the interpreter in.
And may our time be frozen?
Stop the time.